Hello, welcome again. We are solving elementary mathematics paper of year 2024 of CBS 1 exam. Question number 88, 89 and 90 carries a common statement, and the statement is consider the following for the next three items that follow. ABC is a right angle triangle with angle ABC is equal to 90 degrees. The center of the circle of the given triangle is at O, whose radius is 2 centimeters. Two more circles with centers at O1 and O2 touch this circle and the two sides as shown in the figure given below. Further, MA ratio MC is 2 ratio 3. So this is the figure, this is the in circle, and these are the two other circles. This is your MA, this is MC, and ABC is right angle triangle. So question number 88 based on this is, what is AB plus BC equal to? Option A 10 centimeter, option B 12 centimeter, option C 13 centimeter, option D 14 centimeter. And question number 89, what is the radius of the circle with center at O1? Option A 4 minus root 5, option B 1 plus root 5, option C 2 plus root 5, option D 3 minus root 5. And question number 90 is, what is the radius of the circle with center at O2? Option A 5 minus root 10, option B 1 plus root 2 root 5, option C 22 minus 4 root 10 by 9, and option D 22 minus 2 root 10 by 9. So here this is the given figure, and this is point M, and this is the in circle, this is these are two other circles, and it is given that MA by MC is your 2 by 3. MA by MC 2 by 3. So if we take MA as 2x or AM as 2x, then MC or CM will be your 3x. Okay. So as A is the exterior point to this circle, and one of the tangent is AM and another tangent is AP, so these will be equivalent. AP will be equal to AM. So AP will be equal to AM, that is 2x. And similarly, C is also external point to this circle, and from this point the tangent is CM and CQ. So these tangents will also be equal to QC will be your 3x because MC is your 3x. Okay. So now if we consider triangle ABC, so and we can apply Pythagoras theorem here. So AC square will be equal to AB square plus BC square, because this is right angle triangle. And AC is 2x plus 3x, that is 5x, and AB is AP plus PB, this is 2, this is 2x, so it will be 2x plus 2, and BC is 3x plus 2. So solving this we get x as 2. If we solve it, there will be a quadratic equation, and solving this quadratic equation we get x as 2. So now we have to, in question number 88, we have to find out AB plus AC. So AB is your 2x plus 2, and BC is your 3x plus 2. So x is 2, so putting the value of x in 2x plus 2 and 3x in 3x plus 2, so we get 5x plus 4 and 5x is 2, so it will be 14 centimeters. So answer is option D for question number 88. So now question number 90 is, what is the radius of the circle with center O1? Okay, so to find out the radius of the circle with center O1, this is a circle with center O1, and for R is radius. We can take triangle ARO and APO, ARO1 and APO. So these are similar triangles. So from similar triangle we have R, this R by this 2 will be equal to AO1 by AO. Okay, so R by 2 will be equal to AO1 by AO, and AO1 is AO minus OO1. Okay, so we can write it as AO minus OO1 divided by AO. Now we have to find out the value of AO. So AO can be found by this, for this angle is theta, okay, and this is your 2x, okay. So this is the hypotenuse. So hypotenuse will be equal to, or AO will be equal to 2x by cos theta, cos theta, okay, 2x by cos theta, okay, or we can say x is 2, so it is 4 by cos theta. Now cos theta can also be found out. Cos theta, because this is your 2x, okay, this is your 2x and this is the hypotenuse. So 2x by hypotenuse will be your cos theta, and hypotenuse is 2x whole square plus r square root, so it will be, so cos theta will be your 2x by root 2x whole square plus 2 square, so that will, and x is 2, so solving this we get cos theta as 2 by root 5. So AO will be your 4, because AO is 4 by cos theta, so it will be 4 by 2 by root 5, or we can say it is 2 root 5, and O1 will be your r plus 2, this is r and this is 2, okay. So now we have equation as r by 2 is equal to AO is 2 root 5 minus r plus 2 divided by 2 root 5. So solving this we get r as 3 minus root 5, so answer is option. Answer is option B. Okay, now next question is what is the radius of the circle at of center O to this radius. So now again we'll follow the similar procedure. We'll take this triangle COQ and CO2 as these are similar triangle, and we'll apply the rule of similarity, that is R1 by 2 will be equal to CO2 by CO. Same way there was in the previous question it was AO2, now it is AO, and CO is AO is replaced by CO, R is replaced by R1. Same way now, so R1 by 2 will be equal to CO minus O2 divided by CO, and CO is, so now this dimension is 3x, because this is 3x, this dimension is 3x, 3x by cos theta will be equal to CO. X by cos theta 1 will be equal to CO, or x is 2, so it will be 6 by cos theta 1, and cos theta 1 is this dimension divided by this dimension, so this is 3x, or 3 into 2 6, and this is your 6 plus r1 square, 6 square plus r1 square root, so cos theta 1 will be equal to 3x by root 3x square plus 2 square, putting x we get cos theta 1 as 3 by root 10, and O2 will be at r1 plus 2, same way, and now we can put the value of cos theta 1, so CO will be at 2 root 10. Now we can put the value of CO and O2 here and find out the value of r1, that comes out as 22 minus 2 root 10 by 9, answer is option B.